We arrived at the store today, a Toyota Transit, to install its seat cover. So let me introduce you now. This is the passenger backrest. Main driver's back. This is the passenger seat. Main driver's seat. These are the little backrests in the back. Separate backrest. This is the big backrest in the back row. Siamese backrest. This is a rear single seat cushion. Then this is its front pillowcase. This is its back pillow. Media pillowcase. So it has an instruction manual in it. Follow a rocker. This is what we will use for installation later. Put the seat down first. Press and hold this button to lift it up. Here it comes. How to distinguish the main and passenger backrests. Airbag is the location of its airbag if it is on the right. It's the co-pilot on the right if it's on the left. That means it's the main driver. We need to remove this trim panel. There's a clip underneath it. Do as I said. Take this button off. Leave this place empty. Then let's start installing now. The first step is to open the zipper. Then put it on. It's still very simple to put it on. And there's the headrest aperture. We need to follow the original trajectory to press in. Very simple. Insert the lower part of the backrest into the gap between the seat and the backrest. Put the trim panel we just removed in here. Hold the bottom with one hand and zip up with the other. You can be very obedient. Tear the felt apart and adhere. We can stuff it in here. How to distinguish cotton tubes. Take a look at it. It has a layer of cotton tubes. This cotton tube is on the outside of it. Insert the buckle into the gap between the seat and backrest. Slide the strap under the bottom of the seat. Fasten the school bag buckle, tighten the rope. We need to pull the hook out and towards the back. Pull this guard in for it. Find a place to stay. Find a place inside to hook it. Insert the cotton tube into the plastic housing using the plugging tool. There is also a hook on the front right. Find a place to scrape it. Put it on hard. Male and female buckles stick together. Installation is complete. There are two buttons on the left to see. Press and hold at the same time. Lift up. Okay, take it off. Open the zipper. We're going to put it in. Here's a drawstring. Leave a mouth for it to pull out. After pulling it up, align the pillowcase opening with the pillow and secure it in place. Insert the lower part of the backrest into the gap between the seat and the backrest. Stuff it in OK. Hold the bottom with one hand and zip up with the other. Tear off its blue protective strip. Then cover it with it. That piece, it's the little back seat. See how I do it. Insert the lower part of the backrest into the gap between the seat and the backrest. Found the rope we just passed through. Fasten the school bag buckle, tighten the rope. We need to tighten the elastic ropes on both sides. What about the effective tensioning? Is to make this periphery of it. Wrap it up. Thread it through the seat belt and slide it in. The seat belt is outside. Align the pillowcase opening with the pillow and secure it in place. Insert the lower part of the backrest into the gap between the seat and the backrest. Hold the bottom with one hand and zip up with the other. Tear the felt apart and adhere. The lower part of the seat cover passes through from under the seat to the trunk area. Pull out the backpack strap from under the cushion and fasten it. The drawstrings at both ends can be tied together. Stuff it with the excess. Installation complete. Enjoy comfort, style, and full seat protection.